prices purses.
Well, my dad dresses up
Oh
as
my
Santa.
gosh, this thing's so itchy.
You're gonna have to deal with
Burlap sack.
it.
Burlap.
Anorexic Saint Nick. Well, this thing around my neck. I mean,
It's like a noose.
obviously designed by a man. No
Why
pockets.
aren't you tucking this in the
Because
right
I
way?
gagged myself. And the beard's going over.
Dad, give me a good ho ho ho.
Glasses off.
Dad, say ho ho
You're
ho.
not gonna be able to read
Oh,
the thing.
well, I can't read it now.
Wait, what?
It is rated R. She shades of gray. Get over here. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, why? Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus. If you do it again, I'm gonna cut you. Right down Santa Claus Lane, big Santa bricks and an all. Filter or the dog filter?
You can hear my entire family just screaming in there.
Daddy.
Stop! Why? The last I see the light. What the hell? Okay, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell shining. You don't know song.
I'm a motherfucking reindeer. What is powering these lights? Whenever Morgan is in slight distress, she clutches her boobs.